Hi, I'm Stuart from the Norfolk Honey Company and welcome to my office on this very showery and wintry day. Today I thought I'd take refuge in my office rather than heading out to one of the apiaries. It's been intermittently raining on and off all morning, and rather than dodge the showers I thought I'd just present my very short video today from my office. Today I want to share with you my upload schedule of videos for the coming season through 2018 and just share with you some of my thoughts and reasons as to why the schedule is going to be the way it is and how you can benefit from signing up to watch some more of these videos. As some of you will already know, I'm working really hard on producing lots of material for beginner beekeepers, particularly my online course, which by the time you watch this video will be live, so please do pop over to our website and take a look at that. If you're a beginner beekeeper, it will be ideal for you as it covers all of the basics and fundamentals of beekeeping prior to actually purchasing your first nucleus colony of bees and getting started in your brand new hobby. So with effect from the beginning of March this year, I'm going to once again begin uploading 3 videos per week covering a range of different topics and subjects. And then usually at the weekends one of those videos will go live directly to YouTube, so the content will still come across to YouTube for you to view. I know that some of you will be disappointed by this, but let me explain my reasons for the change and how you can sign up to those videos to access the full range of videos that we'll be producing this year. So why Patreon? Well, for the last year we've pretty much uploaded 3 videos per week, every week consistently. We've now had over 500,000 views of those videos and we've just exceeded 6,500 subscribers. And the brutal truth is that the income from the YouTube advertising revenue is just nowhere near enough to be able to sustain that level of video production. It's not just producing the videos, but it's the post-production and uploading that all has to happen by somebody after I've recorded the videos, and that all costs. I'm sure that a lot of you will have noticed that the quality of the videos has increased dramatically over the last few weeks and months, and that's because I've invested heavily in new equipment to record the videos so that as we go into this season we'll be able to show you even more detail, particularly of the honeybees inside the beehive, and give you a really close-up view of all of the issues and troubles and problems that you might face, but also to give you good examples of what a queen cell might look like, for instance, or how to spot eggs. We can really delve deep into the cell and see the eggs and the young larvae forming, and I hope to be able to present that to you as we get into the active season. So all I'm asking in return is to invite you to take a look at our Patreon page and to sign up to the base reward level, which is just $1, and that currently equates to around 70 pence per month to have full access to all of the videos that we'll be producing from this point forward. In return, I will continue to publish 3 videos per week over this entire active season, and for the higher reward tiers there'll also be a podcast and also a private coaching mentor group should you wish to sign up for further help and advice. If you're in the UK, you'll notice that the Patreon website only deals in dollars, and that's because the website is hosted in America. That's not a problem because as you go through the process it will convert to UK pounds and pence, and as I say, the minimum reward tier of $1 is just currently around 70 pence, and that's 70 pence per month, not 70 pence per video. So there won't be any nasty surprises of being charged per video. It's a set figure per month. As you can probably tell, this isn't something that I feel particularly comfortable in presenting, but it's something that I really have to do in order to continue to provide the quality and quantity of videos that I've been producing so far. And with your help and support I can continue to create more of these beekeeping videos that will then in turn help you with all of the tips and techniques that you're all looking for. It's my hope that with your support that these videos will continue not only through the summer but then into the winter, and will allow me to create more online courses for everybody as well. And those people that sign up to Patreon will also have access to discount codes for not only the online courses but also for all of my beekeeping experience days as well. And hopefully together we can continue to make more of these beekeeping videos that I know everybody out there enjoys. Finally, regardless of how things develop, I want to just take this opportunity to thank you all for your support thus far, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you in the future. Thanks for watching.